Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever wished you could just tell a robot to organize the table and have it understand exactly what you mean? Researchers have developed a new framework that lets robots understand and act on complex, long-term commands without needing any specialized, custom training. The secret lies in cleverly combining several powerful, off-the-shelf AI models, each assigned to a specific job. You can think of it like a management team inside the robot's brain. There's a high-level cognitive layer, a powerful planner that thinks through the entire task like a project manager. Then there's the perception layer, which acts as the robot's eyes, using a vision AI to identify objects and figure out their locations. An interaction layer acts as the middle manager, taking the big plan and breaking it down into individual commands. Finally, the execution layer is the skilled worker that physically moves the arm and gripper to perform the actions safely. To keep everything organized, the system uses what's called a scene graph. It's essentially a dynamic mental map of the workspace, noting what every object is, where it is, and its relationship to other objects, like what's inside a box. This map is constantly updated as the robot moves things, ensuring it always has an accurate understanding of its environment. So how well does it actually work? The researchers put it to the test with a series of challenges, from simple requests like, move the orange between the apple and yarn, to more complex logic puzzles like solving the Tower of Hanoi, a classic task that requires following strict rules over many steps. The system successfully completed these structured tasks, demonstrating its ability to generate coherent, step-by-step plans. They then pushed it further with even more open-ended problems. In one test, the robot had to sort fruits and vegetables into two different boxes, correctly inferring that the more numerous fruits should go into the larger box. In another, it was tasked with organizing a table, but with a trick, a lemon was intentionally misplaced in a toolbox. The robot had to first identify this error, move the lemon to the correct food items box, and only then proceed with organizing everything else. The most difficult test involved a closed toolbox, where the robot had to figure out that it needed to open the box, find a temporary spot to place the lid, and then continue its task. As the results table shows, the system is impressively robust. For most of the tasks, it achieved a high or perfect completion rate. Its main struggles came from either very vague human instructions or extremely cluttered scenes where it was hard to see and move objects without causing collisions. So, to recap the important points, this layered approach and the dynamic scene graph are the key innovations. By separating high-level reasoning from low-level execution, the robot can handle complex, multi-step tasks that require planning and context. The scene graph acts as its working memory, allowing for consistent and logical actions over a long period. This is a significant step away from systems that need massive amounts of custom training data for every new task. While challenges remain, this research shows a very promising path toward robots that are more adaptable, intelligent, and truly useful in our everyday lives. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.